something happened with work, blah blah blah.
Oh my god.
Tell them my name. He's gonna give you a discount. Guys, how are you guys? Me? I'm doing good. Tapos na yung holiday dito. Everybody's back to work. I never stop working though. So ngayon, punta ako ngayon dito sa fourplex nating isa kasi yung appliances na iniwan ng seller doon sa Project West Kildona natin, ilalagay natin dito sa storage room natin para just in case masira yung appliances ng mga unit natin, pwede nating palitan right away para hindi na tayo bumili ng bago. So yeah, pag kami na binibili akong mga projects, I'd like to keep appliances, tapos kung pwede pa silang gamitin, pwede natin ilagay sa rentals. So yeah, nandito tayo sa blue, kung tawagin namin to Walmart. Ito, kasi blue siya eh. Ayan o. So yeah, lalagay ko yung black box para dun sa mga magdadrop ng appliances, tsaka yung key dito para I don't need to be here. Tara. Oh yeah, ito yung itsura ng storage room natin. Makaalat no, kailangan ayusin to eh. Ayusin ko muna. So, pumunta muna ulit ako dito sa bahay. I'm actually meeting yung seller na pinuntahan ko last week. Remember yung seller na wala siya nung umuulan? Guys, change of plan. Hindi na daw makaka-uwi ng bahay until later mamaya yung seller natin. So, today na yung meeting namin and it's a bit early pa. So, I don't want to go to the meeting spot. It's too early. So, I just went home. I'm going home right now and chill for a bit and then go meet with the seller. Guys, on the way na tayo para i-meet yung seller natin. Finally, she didn't cancel on me. Hopefully, till makarating ako doon sa meeting place natin, hindi siya mag-change ng mind or make an excuse na something happened with work, blah blah blah. Like I said, itong seller na to, I've been chasing her for at least 3 to 4 years na. So, yeah, I think today's the day. Sana makuha natin itong deal na to today. Hey guys, so kakatapos ko lang kausapin yung seller and iniwan ko sa kanya yung offer ko kasi kakausapin niya daw yung husband niya pa about dun sa property. Finger cross, makuha natin siya bago tayo umalis. So, stop by muna ako dito sa Project West Kildona ulit natin. Gusto ko ulit siya makita. Sabi ni Kuya, nandito daw ulit yung mga gumagawa. So, we're pushing it till it's done. Let's go. Oh, Johnny is actually here too. Carpenter Johnny! What's going on? Oh, man. That's alright. God damn.
Fastest in the Manitoba Wild West.
Let's go. I'll be there. Limutan ko, gagawa nga pala si Johnny dito sa labas. How are you?
Good.
Good. They're fixing the new steps.
I don't think they're gonna put screws on the lower one. Oh my god. I'm gonna see if I can reuse some of this stuff for blocking.
Yeah, no worries. He's the fastest and the most wanted fence and deck builder in Wild West, Manitoba. So i-rebuild nila yung steps dito. Kasi dito sa kabilang side, wala. Dito sa kabila, meron. Pero pangit. Manitoba Wild West. Oh yeah. Painting it white. Ayan na po siya, guys. So guys, the next time nyo makita tong Project West Kildona natin, meron na siyang steps dun sa labas and may railing na din dun sa labas. Ngayon, let's go to our flooring, guys, and carpet, guys, para mag-pick ng materials. Let's go. Nandito na tayo, walking inside this Red River carpet flooring. Pumili na tayo ng flooring at carpet para sa Project West Kildona. Oh, my brother! How are you? Good? So yeah, what's my flooring? For the washroom, it's laminate, right?
Bathroom is sheet vinyl.
Sheet vinyl.
And kitchen. Which color you like?
I want like the white vein. Not a white vein, a gray vein.
This one.
Actually, I like this one.
No, this like
Too much, this one?
no, this one, gray one.
Let's just go with this one then. And then
And floor?
floor?
You don't need a floor,
No,
right?
no, no, no.
Carpet.
Carpet. Let's go with this. I'm putting your business on YouTube, eh? This is YouTube. You're gonna get more customer. So I need discount. We got the flooring and then carpet. That's it. Look at this, guys. If you need any flooring, go here, eh? Red River Carpet. Tell them my name. It's gonna give you discount.